I am unwell. Oh, this is cool. Ooh, smoothies. We are going on a boat. What's it called? A pirate? A pirate something? The Jolly Pirate. SOS. We're gonna push through. It's my workout for the week. Just walking on the beach. Can't even see you all the way back there. What night is it?
Mexican night.
Yeah. How do you feel about Mexican night?
Mexican night was 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
That
Wow.
rice was 15 out of 10.
Oh yeah, that rice. And I'm alive.
You feel better that you ate.
Yeah, I do feel a lot better that I ate.
How you gonna stop from that? Look.
I know.
We're all gonna be a
That's just the show.